Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our October kit reveals. As you know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club and chipboard company. We make our own chipboard in-house, and we also provide 3 monthly kits. We have a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. And every month we bring you these videos to reveal to you what's in our kits so you can get a good look. And then head over to our website at www.treasureleekits.com to check out what our designers are doing with our kits, to check out new designs from Chipboard, and to check out our monthly kits, and to actually subscribe too. So once you get there, go up to the top bar, hit the button that says subscribe, and go ahead and subscribe to one or a combination or all 3 of our kits. It's all up to you. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into this reveal. Alright, every month we start off with a scrapbook kit, and in our kit we like to bring you everything that's going to coordinate and work together. We don't actually show you what type of layouts to create with it. We give you inspiration. We want you to take our kits and take our inspiration and your own creativity and make what you like. And first off, we've got flowers in this kit. We love flowers at Treasure Lee Kit Club, so we always have lots of flowers. We've got 6 little roses here, pink roses. And these are from Scrap Berries. Next up, you've got 15 pieces here of mixed green colored flowers. They're kind of distressed, and different colored flowers and leaves and pieces. These are from 49 and Market, and these are in the color Ocean Jade, so it's a bluish green color. And then we've got some more flowers from 49 and Market. You've got 12 pieces here, and these are pink, but you've got some leaves in there and some other little bits and pieces. So you get the full packs there. Next up, we've got a package of these resin columns, and these are from Scrap Berries. You have a couple of pieces that are solid pieces, and then you have a couple of pieces that are broken into pieces already. So don't think that your pieces are broken, they're made that way. And these are from Scrap Berries as well. And you've got some chipboard from Treasure Lee. This is one of our in-house designs, and you can find this in on our website under chipboard, and I believe this is either under borders, I believe is what this is going to be under. But you can get it in the kit, but if you like it, go ahead over to the website, order yourself some more pieces of chipboard. This one is called the mailbox frame, and you're going to get the little inside piece too. We like to add the little extra inside piece too, because sometimes you like to use that. You can cover that, you can paint that, you can use your mixed media on it, and it just gives an extra touch to your layouts. And next up, we've got a sheet of ephemera for you to go ahead and cut out, and it's got some butterflies and some clocks and some keys and some frames on it and some birds. And I think this will go nicely with our papers because we've got some really rustic papers. These papers are from Memory Place, and I'm going to open them up here with you. And you're going to get 2 sheets of each, so you're going to get 12 sheets of paper. Sometimes we're able to, you know, bring you more than the normal 6 to 8 sheets of paper. Wow, why can't I get this open? There we go. Got it open, and let's get these papers out. Memory Place is a new manufacturer to us. So you've got your top sheet, it just shows your papers, and then you've got, like I said, you're getting 2 sheets of double-sided paper, and these are like really textured looking and rustic. So here's your first sheet. Here's your second sheet. I really like this one. This one is so pretty. And you can do so much with this because you don't have a lot of graphic prints on this. So you can add mediums to this. This could be feminine. This could be masculine. You can just do whatever. Here's the back side of it. Nice wood grain. I love papers like these because then they're such a neutral color palette that you can add whatever colors you like to them. Here's your back side. You've got some florals here. And they're just so much fun. You can use whatever paper, pictures you want to. These would take nice with black and white or colored pictures because your background isn't going to take away from your photo. Here's your back side here. Another sheet, and this is kind of split in half, so you could use this way, you could use it this way, you could use it this way. Once you cut the strip off, you can use it all 4 ways. And here's the back side to it. So you do get somewhat of a bit of a design other than just the textured sheets. And here's the last sheet, and this is just all white brick. And here's your background. So again, this can be masculine, it can be feminine. You can use this for vintage. This would be nice for some shabby chic, altered projects, whatever you choose to use this on. But make sure that you head over to our blog because our designers will be showing their projects all month with this kit. And again, this is everything that you get in the kit. And next up is going to be our cards, tags, and more kit. Cards, tags, and more kit. What you're going to get, first of all, let me explain our cards, tags, and more kit. This is our most versatile kit. If you like small projects, then you'll like our cards, tags, and more kit because some months you'll get stuff for cards, some months you'll get for tags, some months you'll get stuff for more like mini albums. And this month you are going to get a nice little fall pumpkin mini album. This is a Trey Jolie original at Chipboard, cut in-house, and so you're going to get the cover, nice little cover, and then you're going to get 6 pages to go into your mini album to create your mini album. So this is your mini album. You've got a little hole up at the top. You can use some ribbon. If you have a jump ring or something like that, then you can use that to put it together. I'm probably going to grab some pretty fallish colored ribbon for this, but this is really nice, and this is going to be in the store as well on our website at www.treyjoliekids.com, and this will be listed under mini albums. Next up, you're going to get some fun little fall flowers. These are also from Scrap Berries. You've got 4 little flowers here. And then you're going to get everything you need to do the inside of your mini album. You're also going to get a couple of little metal leaf charms. Those are nice. And then you're going to get these sheets. And these are all cut out. And they're double-sided depending on which sides you want to use. You've got the white trim over here, and then you've got these with no trim. Same for this one. You've got the front. You got your back, actually, yeah. Again, nice little sheets of ephemera for you to go ahead and cut out depending on whether or not you want a trim or no trim. Your back side. And the front side and the back side coordinate, so depending on which piece you cut out, it'll look the same on the other side. And then you're going to get these journal sets. So you're going to get some tags that you can use on your album or some pieces that you can use to make pockets. And on the back side, you've got a solid color. And again, like I said, you're going to get these pieces and you can cut these to make them fit. Or you can just use this as a separate project and make yourself just another journal. Here's the back side. I'm sorry, I missed the back side of this one. Let's go back. But again, you're going to get nice fall pieces here. And here you've got just some sheets that you can use behind photos. Or you can use a solid one. And then this is just a solid. And on the back, you've got some tickets and some flags and things like that, again, that can be used as a journal, or you can use them in your mini album. And next up, you're also going to get this paper. And this is 6 sheets, and they're double-sided. But what you're also going to get is an extra sheet. You're going to get extra on your cover. So if you flip your cover over, don't toss it. You've got more tags that you can use in your mini album, or you can just make some fall tags as well. So you've got a lot here going with this kit. And here's the paper. Really nice fall paper. And this is by Craft O'Clock. We've had them before. They're an international company. And we like to specialize in international papers, or sometimes hard to get papers in the US. And that's no different with this card kit. So really, really nice card kit. Love the little mushrooms on this. And so this is our October cards, tags, and more kit. This will help you get a jump start on your fall projects if you like to do themed projects. Typically we don't do a lot of themed papers, but these papers were really nice and they kind of fit the aesthetic of Très Jolie and what we like to do here. So again, hop on over to the website and go ahead and subscribe. You can pick this kit up. I think they're limited in stock, so you may want to get over if you like these. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. Media kit is a little bit different. We provide you with some mediums, but we also give you a project so that you can get started right out of the box with your kit. It is a standalone kit. You don't need anything else with it. You can use the mediums and whatever things you have in your stash. And if you've been getting kits from, especially our mixed media kits from Très Jolie, you'll notice that the last couple of months, all this stuff will coordinate and you can use it all together on any project, especially our October project, which is cut from Très Jolie's. This will be in our store as well. This is just a bat that we cut out for you to alter. And with that, you're going to get, as far as your mediums, you're going to get some purple glitter paint, perfect for those Halloween projects, these October projects. It's nice and glittery, and it's sealed when you get it, so you can just dump it out and paint with it. But this is our color, the purple. It's hard to see with the glare. And then you're going to get some Lindy's Magical Mica Powder, and this is in the shade Black Hole Black. And it's just a black shimmery mica powder. Let's see. Let me get this open. Yeah, that one's sealed too, so. But make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on our page, on our YouTube page here, because you will see our designers work with all of this stuff. We'll be posting videos working with all this. Next up, you've got this new Distress Crackle Paint, and this is in clear from Ranger. And this works great to give you the nice crackles and things that you can put on top of this. Have you a nice mixed media crackled bat. Also, you're getting sheet of deco foil. And if you've never worked with deco foil, actually you're getting 2 sheets of the deco foil, and it's silver iridescent, which again ties in well with the colors that we have with this kit. And you're also getting a deco foil pen with that. If you've never worked with deco foil before, then you're going to have to stay tuned for one of our videos. We'll show you how to use it. Basically, you take the pen, you write or draw whatever design you want on whatever project you're using with the pen first, because it's basically just an adhesive pen, and then you take the foil and you lay it on top of whatever you've designed that you've put on, and you rub it, and then you peel it off, and you will have the silver adhering to your design that you created with the pen. It's lots of fun to use, and it comes in lots and lots of colors. I'm pretty sure we've had this in a past kit before, but this has been our mixed media kit. And again, like I said, you can find all this on our website at www.trésjoliekits.com. This has been Kim. Thank you for stopping by and watching our kit reveals for our October kits. And again, don't forget to like, comment on the video, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, you have to hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever we upload a video. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye.